Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create and format professional documents in WPS Writer. Creating professional documents in WPS Writer or Docs is simple with its intuitive tools and rich formatting options. And you can just follow these steps that I'm going to tell you to design polished and well-structured documents. So you can start a new document by opening the WPS Office and select Docs in here, and you can choose to create a blank document, or you can also choose template, use a template. You can select a professional template from the template library for resume, report, or letter. So for example, I'm going to just create from template. Here I'm going to go with letters. Let's find the professional one. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this one. Uh, that one. Let's find another one. Okay, this one, invitation letter. Let's use that one. You can tap on download if you are using template. Wait for it to be downloaded. And then it will be automatically open when it's done downloading. So after you open the template, you can set up the page layout, set the margins and orientation. You can go to layout in here, page layout in the toolbar, and set the margins under and choose portrait or landscape orientation. So it depends on the type of file itself. And also you can add and format text. You can just type your content. If you are creating from scratch, you can begin by typing your text into the document and apply text formatting. You can use the home tab in here to change the font and change it into bold, italic, or underlines. You can also choose a professional font like Calibri, Arial, or Times New Roman. So for example, I'm going to change the font in here into, let's use Arial, this one. Okay, already change it. And next, for the text alignment, you can use left, center, or right alignment options. So it depends on the format itself. And you can use headings and styles. You can apply headings to highlight text. For example, this one's right here, the title. You can also customize styles. You can right click on the style and select modify to adjust font, colors, and sizes. If you want to, or this is optional, you can also create a table of content by going to references in here and select table of contents. If needed, you can also insert visual elements such as images by going to insert and then find picture. To add images, you can use picture tools to adjust size and alignment. You can also add table in here and add charts if needed. And you can also add a header, footers, and page number. Here on this file, there's no page number, but there is this footer in here. Okay, you can also proofread and use review tools before, for example, share the file to others. You can do spell check by going to review and find spell check. Here there is AI spell check on WPS that you can use, or you can also do track changes to see edits and suggestion and add comments if needed. If you want to export or imprint the document, you can save it as PDF. You can click on File in here, click on Menu, and then click on Save As. Click on Export to PDF. If you want to print, you can just go to print in here and You can just print and adjust print settings for high quality output. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.